Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Voyager rod. First, understand that this legendary item significantly boosts your fishing and exploration capabilities. You'll embark on a journey across various biomes to collect its unique components. We'll cover exactly where to find each piece and the precise steps required to assemble them into the ultimate fishing and exploration tool. Get ready to enhance your in-game experience. Your quest begins by finding star fragments, which only appear at meteor crash sites after dark. Next, you'll need to venture into the deepest parts of the ocean to confront powerful leviathans for their rare ocean essence. Finally, seek out the ancient, glowing trees within the enchanted forest to gather at least 15 units of ancient wood. These three components are crucial for the rod's creation. With all your materials in hand, head to an arcane altar. Here, you will first combine the shimmering star fragments with the potent ocean essence to forge the rod's magical core. Then, carefully infuse this core into your 15 units of ancient wood. A short, focused channeling ritual will then complete the process, bringing your powerful Voyager rod to life. Once crafted, your Voyager rod is ready for action. Consider applying a lure enchantment to boost your fishing power by 25%, making rare catches much easier. Its unique ability also allows you to uncover hidden underwater passages and secret areas, expanding your exploration significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including those durable darn tough socks. Enjoy your enhanced adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.